Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CopySmith to automate product description generation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate CopySmith for automating product description generation, first, visit the CopySmith website. Next, create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Product Descriptions. Click on that option to proceed. You will see different templates available for product descriptions. Select the template that best fits your needs. After selecting a template, you will find a space to input product details. Fill in the required fields with relevant information about your product. This may include the product name, features, and any other specifications. Once you have entered the details, look for the Generate Description button. Click on that button to initiate the description generation process. In a few moments, CopySmith will provide you with a generated product description. Review the generated content for accuracy and relevance. If adjustments are needed, tweak the input information and regenerate if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the description, copy the text to your clipboard. Finally, paste the description wherever you need it for your product listing. That's it. You have successfully activated CopySmith to automate your product description generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.